More properties have come to the market at a lower list price and brought new contracts at the lower list price. It's Friday, July 3rd, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource for Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. The Eastern Shore market has been challenged by lower buyer activity, lower sales prices, and sellers netting up to 4% less than other areas of the Maryland market. Inventory did rise again slightly this report to 2,441 active properties on the shore. The median list price for these fell slightly to $418,000. Coming soon properties dropped to 122 properties, and these will be coming in at a lower median entry price point of $435,000. New contracts, this report rose 4.3% from last week to 171 properties, and the median list price was $389,990 at the time that the sellers received a contract. And it took 35 median days before the seller did get that contract. 192 properties sold in 28 days at 97.3% list to sold ratio, and the sold price was $384,500, falling 4% this week. There are 138 rental properties this week. Rent remains at a median $2,100 per month. Do you have questions about your specific circumstances? Let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, July 3rd, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your holiday weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.